Find the value of x from the given figure. Property of isosceles right triangle and rectangle, intersection theorem. Arithmetic and algebraic operations are used to solve this question. Solution. Label points O, C, D, E and G. Join line E, C, which equals to x. It is because opposite side lengths of a rectangle are equal. Locate the center, O of the quarter circle. GDO is an isosceles right triangle. This implies that angle GDO equals angle DGO, which equals to 45 degrees. Also, ECD is an isosceles right triangle. It follows that length EC equals length CD, which equals to x. The reason is that opposite side lengths of an isosceles triangle are equal. Again, length OC equals 4. It is because opposite lengths of a rectangle are equal. It signify that R equals length OD, which equals to the sum of 4 and x. Let us reconstruct the figure as shown on the screen. Using the intersection theorem, the product of 4 plus x plus 4 and length CD equals the product of 2 plus x and 2 plus x. Rearrange terms and simplify. X times the sum of 8 and x equals the square of 2 plus x. Expand bracket. This implies that the sum of 8 times x and the square of x equals the sum of 4 and 4 times x plus the square of x. This implies that 8 times x equals the sum of 4 and 4 times x. Combine like terms. We have that 8 times x minus 4 times x equals 4. Simplify. That is 4 times x equals 4. Divide both sides of the equation by 4. So that x equals 4 divided by 4, which equals to 1. Therefore, x equals 1 unit.